Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up a GTX 1050 Ti. First, power down your computer completely and unplug it from the wall. Next, open your computer case to access the motherboard. Locate an available PCI Express 16 slot, which is typically the longest slot on the motherboard. Carefully align your new graphics card and press it firmly into the slot until it is fully seated and clicks into place. Secure the card with a single screw. Most GTX 1050 Ti cards are low power and draw all necessary power directly from the PCI Express slot, meaning no extra power cables are needed. However, some custom models might feature a 6-pin power connector. If yours does, connect it now. Once done, close your computer case, reconnect all your peripherals like your keyboard and mouse, and finally, plug in your power cable. Connect your monitor to one of the new graphics card's display outputs. Now, power on your computer. Windows will likely use a basic display driver, allowing you to see your desktop. Open your web browser and navigate to the official NVIDIA website. Locate the drivers section and download the latest drivers specifically for the GTX 1050 Ti. Once the download is complete, run the installer. Follow the prompts, and when given the option, select Custom Installation to ensure a clean install, which is often recommended for optimal performance. After the driver installation finishes, your computer will likely prompt you to restart. Please do so to finalize the installation process. Once your system reboots, you can verify the successful installation by checking the device manager, where your GTX 1050 Ti should be listed correctly. Also, open the NVIDIA control panel to confirm all settings are accessible. You are now ready to enjoy significantly improved graphics performance in your favorite applications and games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.